Okay, this is the paper. I'm going to upload the paper. Sorry, this is not the paper. The paper will be, I think, where is the paper? This is the paper, right? So this is the paper. So Rasi's knowledge. Okay, this paper I'm going to upload inside the folder. Semalam kita dah buat folder kan? Semua dah ada folder sendiri dah. Okay, nanti saya upload dalam saya punya folder. And then all of you can access directly. Okay, file upload. This is how you want to share your document between your colleague. Okay, faham tak? You ada dokumen kan, you nak share kepada kawan-kawan. So this is how you want to do it. First of all, you pergi kepada, saya ulang balik ini contoh saya punya folder. You punya drive kan? And then please make a folder. You already made a folder here. This is my folder. Correct or not? I'm going to open my folder. So inside my folder got two documents here. The first document is our online form. The next document is your responses. The responses that are already being recorded and also captured by the system. And then now I'm going to upload the paper so that I can share the paper with you. So I'm just go to the new file upload. So theoretically speaking, you can upload almost everything. Video, picture, paper, whatever it is lah that you want to upload inside your Google Drive. And after that, you can share it to your colleague. So nowadays, there are no reason for you to not sharing any document even though if exceed 1 gig. Faham tak maksud saya? You boleh share almost everything sekarang ni. Sebab itu kena jaga-jaga jugalah meletakkan barang-barang dalam online ni. Supaya tak ada barang-barang personal. Banyak student saya kena hack. Pelik-pelik jadinya. Okay. Kemudian kita tengok pula kepada kita punya responses. So this is our responses. So I'm going to open the responses. So majority of you already key in inside the system yesterday. So the Google are going to create a spreadsheet like this. This is a Google spreadsheet. Majority of you already key in, right? So we got 41 responses. I really hope we got more than this. But it's okay. 41 is adequate already. So now what we are going to do is we go to the file. And then we are going to generate using the Excel. Okay, kita akan download dan kita akan generate Excel file. Okay, pergi kepada file. Kalau awak ada pun awak punya form, awak buka. Awak dah generate awak punya spreadsheet, awak try buka. Jika awak nak tahulah macam mana dia punya bentuk. And then you go to the download as. And then you are going to download as Microsoft Excel. Okay, after you click, then your data are going to be downloaded. And this is what happened lah. The data are going to become a Excel file. Okay, so far so good. You understand already the step? Simple, right? So, untuk tuan-tuan dan puan-puan nak dapatkan maklumat ini secara superficial. Superficial means that in a glance. You already got it by looking into the responses here. Anda boleh klik pada response. You akan nampaklah all the responses based on the 41 answers. Dan anda juga boleh print one by one atau anda boleh print overall. Dan anda boleh print the report. So in the future, if you are tend to collect a few samples or a few data in your working process, you can use this tool lah. Anda boleh gunakan tool ni. Anda boleh tengok individu, anda boleh print setiap satu, anda boleh print semuanya. Kan biasa kan nurses and allied health ni banyak documentation and report that you need to write, right? So preferably I may ask you to develop some system like this so that it make your life easier. Okay? Selepas itu mari kita tengok apa yang jadi. Apa yang jadi sebenarnya dia akan keluar data seperti ini. Inilah datanya. Dan data ini saya akan share kepada anda semua. So don't worry. Sekarang buka anda punya anda punya IBM SPSS. Dah buka dah? Buka SPSS. Dah buka? Dah buka Very good. So Excel ni anda ada tak ada? Tak ada kan? Tak ada, saya akan share this Excel for you. So that all of you got the same Excel with me. So cara dia nak dapatkan Excel ni senang saja. Saya pun akan upload juga kepada anda. Kemudian saya akan cari data tadi. Kemudian saya akan open. So saya dah upload dalam saya punya drive. So now I'm going to share almost everything. the online form, the spreadsheet created by Google, and also the Excel that already being downloaded just now. Are you ready? Are you ready with me, or you want to take a 5-minute break first? Enjoy your breakfast? No. No need lah kan, after this we break lah After you got stressful, I can see your face already look at me like a fierce female lion, then I know dah, we need to stop for a while. Okay? Okay, ladies and gentlewomen, so now this folder I'm going to share with you. So how to share a folder? Do you know that? How to share a folder? Okey, cara nak share folder tuan-tuan dan puan-puan boleh tengok, cara dia senang saja. Pertama, right click. Anda tahu right click? Ini mouse. Sebelah kanan tu namanya right, sebelah kiri namanya left, betul? Awak right click, kemudian awak pergi kepada share. Bila saya tekan share, maka dia akan keluar menu. With whom I want to share this folder? So I don't want to share with specific individu. I want to share with the whole class. So what I need to do is I'm going to go to the advanced. I'm click the advanced here. And now the folder is private. Only I, myself can access. So I'm going to change this one. You click the change button and then choose the anyone with the link. What does that mean? Anyone got this link are going to download. They have the access to download the data lah dalam saya punya drive. Saya tekan save. Dan everything is now available for everybody to copy. Tetapi link ni sangat panjang, betul tak? So it's not practical to share with you with the long link. So what I need to do is go to the URL shortener, bit.do. Bit.do ini adalah URL shortener. So I'm going to make it shorten so that all of you can access, even though you have your own smartphone. Also you can access that one. You want to have it or you don't want? Yang semalam link tu, cara nak shortenkan link, same, sama. Cuma yang ini, saya shortenkan link untuk akses ke folder saya. Semalam saya shortenkan link untuk buat online form. Okay, dapat kan beza dia? Alright. So yang ini saya akan buat ADOC, DERM, dan saya tulis folder. Bila saya tulis folder, saya tekan shorten, maka ianya telah dipendekkan. So saya menjemput tuan-tuan dan puan-puan untuk pergi ke folder saya dan download data-data berikut. Apa yang tuan-tuan dan puan-puan perlu download? Pertama, tolong download data XLS. Ni, Excel ni. Yang kedua, tolong download Cirrhosis Knowledge Paper. Boleh? Tolong download sekarang. Link dia bit.do ADOC DERM folder. Boleh? Boleh follow, tak follow, unfollow ataupun remove from friend. Okey, saya akan tuliskan dekat hadapan dia punya link, nanti anda semua boleh tengok Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad. Bit.do ADOC, DERM, DERM dan juga folder. When you write like that, of course you are going to access inside my folder. Dah dapat masuk dah dalam folder saya. Excel data. Biasanya student akan tersilap download. Dia download data yang ini. Yang ini bukan Excel. Ini adalah Google Spreadsheet. Tolong download Excel. Ini adalah Excel file. Cara dia right click. Right click tahu right click. Bila cakap right click sebelah kanan. Tak tahu cari mouse. Tak ada mouse tolong beli. Saya lupa nak pesan dekat puan awak untuk bagi tahu komputer perlulah berinternet dan bermouse. Ni download ni. Lepas awak download, maka awak akan buka lah file yang berkenaan. Inilah file saya. Sama? Very good. So ini adalah variable kita, betul tak? Ini variable kita dan ini adalah kita punya soalan. Ada berapa banyak soalan kita tuan-tuan dan puan-puan semua? 49. 49 Okey, dah ready? After you all ready, then open your SPSS. My SPSS also already open since last night. Okay. Dah belum?